My name is Sean, and this is my big sister, Anne. I am just a regular kid. I'm good at school, but I don't like math. I love soccer, swimming, and going to the movies. I have the best dog in the world. Annie and I are spending a lot of time together lately. I think she and my dad are trying to cheer me up. I think they feel bad for me because one day I came home from school excited to tell my mom all about a new kid that started in my class. I ran into the kitchen and saw a bunch of empty beer bottles on the table. She also had one in her hand. She was on the phone and yelling. I asked her if she was okay, but she didn't answer, so I asked her again. That's when she started to get mad. She hung up the phone and yelled at me for interrupting her. She hit my face and I started to cry. That's when she got really mad. She grabbed her high-heeled shoe and started hitting my face with it. I tried to tell her I was sorry, but she didn't listen. She hit my eye. I felt something wet running down my face. It was blood. She must have seen the blood too, because that's when she just stopped. She dropped the shoe, grabbed me, and threw me into the car. She drove to my aunt's house and dropped me off. She didn't even get out of the car. My aunt took me to the hospital right away. After the nurse talked to me, then the police wanted to talk to me. That started a lot of different people coming into my life. Caseworkers and police were talking about taking me out of my house and arresting my mom. Dad didn't want Mom to go to jail. My aunt wanted my dad to leave my mom. I was just sitting in the middle with no one asking what I wanted. Someone told the court what had happened with my mom and that I needed to be safe. The court decided that I needed someone to look out for me. That's when I met my MCAP, Lisa. She worked with a group that made sure that each kid that had to go to court because someone hurt them got their own lawyer. She made sure that people paid attention to what I wanted and how I felt. Lisa was always there for me. She was there when I had to talk to the police and tell them what had happened. She explained exactly what would happen when I got to the court and had to sit in front of all those grown-ups and tell what my mom did. She made sure that the judge and other grown-ups thought about what I needed. I live with just my dad and my sister now. Mom sees us once a month while she's getting help to stop drinking. I miss her, but I'm glad that she's getting better. Lisa still calls me to see how I am. I know if I ever needed her, she would be there for me. I had someone to speak for me. I hope other kids going through something like that have their own MCAP to fight for them. I know that I am one of the lucky kids.